Hello everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and today I brought you to Tuscany. Right behind me you see the charming town of Sansepolcro. We are in the Tiber Valley, which is this stunning valley you see right behind me, crossed by the famous river Tiber, passing also through Rome. We are very close to the town of Arezzo and about an hour and a half to Florence, right in the center of Italy. We are here to discover together the most stunning villa of this whole valley. It is overlooking the town and all of this outstanding landscape. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. Tradition says that this town was founded by two pilgrims, Egidio and Arcano, who, after a trip returning back from the Holy Land, brought some relics from the Holy Sepulchre. They stopped to sleep near a walnut tree, and during their sleep, they got a divine message telling them to build a city. And that's exactly what they've done. They started rebuilding the ruins of the old church by the walnut tree, and from then, over the century, the town has expanded into what it is today. Sansepolcro is known throughout the world for being the birthplace of Piero della Francesca, and has the honor of preserving his most important fresco, La Resurrezione, which was claimed by Aldous Huxley to be the greatest picture ever made. Let's go now to the villa. Welcome to Villa Fatti, overlooking the whole Tiber Valley with its imposing yet elegant appearance. It has 4.3 hectares of park, manicured and all around the villa. Indoors, there are 3,120 square meters of internal spaces, which equal to about 33,000 square feet. What a property! Let's discover it together. The villa is further embellished by its elegant English park. We also find lots of olive trees, an orchard, and immersed within all of this, there is a tennis court, ideal for the summertime to enjoy a beautiful sunny day. Right below the villa, on a side, and also connected by this charming path, embellished by rosemary, lavender, and lots of aromatic plants, we find the limonaia. The limonaia is a very traditional building for historical villas like this. It was used in the past and even nowadays to store lemons during the colder months. So during the winter they're in there, and in the summer they are scattered around the property. The property can be accessed through two access gates. They are on the two opposite sides of the villa, and they both lead to these three large parking areas. They are three terraces and they are huge. These are ideal if one organizes events at the property to host several cars. The property is laid over 5 levels and there are a variety of spaces. It is currently owned by a large company in the food industry, therefore the property as an asset has been developed and structured for their needs. So on the lower ground level that we will see, there are some huge, beautiful industrial kitchens. There are some huge meeting rooms, there are lots of offices and over 10 bedrooms. It is a very fascinating property. Let's go inside. Welcome inside the villa. This is the ground level, And right here we find this beautiful hallway that connects the villa from side to side. In fact, from the back of the villa, through this opening, you can see the view right in front. Very beautiful. From here, you can also already notice how the villa is historical but has been modernized with modern features. Like for example, the elevator that you see on my left. This connects all of the levels, and the levels are also connected by these stairs. This floor is split into two parts. On the right side, you find the reception area with the reception desk right here. The access to one of the two kitchens. This one is already really large, but on the basement we will find an even larger one. This kitchen is connected to some large dining spaces on this other side, very manorial and with a stunning view on the Tiber Valley. This is one of my favorite reception rooms. It is really elegant and truly imposing. You have this stunning checkered floor all over, and on the ceiling, if you look up, you find these arches and these classical details that are very beautiful. This is a really cozy sitting area with a tail piano, and on this side we find this large stone fireplace that is working and for sure the center of the room. And it is ideal to make winter days even cozier. Follow me into another sitting area. I love this room. These colors on the walls with this light cream color recall the outdoor colors of the villa. And if you look up, you notice how the ceiling in part has been painted like a clear summer sky, and it is really romantic. Over here, the room splits into two parts with a large table on this side, while on this other side, we find a larger sitting area with a TV. So a cozy TV space with outdoor access to the back garden through this door. Through this other door, we find access to his and hers bathrooms that serve all of this level. On the lower ground level of the villa, we find some huge industrial spaces. They were used in the past for machinery, and now they've been emptied out and could be perfect as a huge garage for cars. They are in excellent condition and very spacious. On this level, we also find some utility rooms, lots of storage space, while on the end over here, we find this large reception space with a table for tasting, and right behind you find a huge kitchen that was used for research purposes. It is brand new, fully equipped with the best equipment available. Have a look. All of these kitchens and these reception spaces could be ideal if one uses the villa as a venue for events with some accommodation side to the business, and these kitchens could be used for example, cooking classes. Connected to the large kitchen, we also have a large, spacious and full of natural light dining space, ideal to taste all of the foods. Connected to that, then, there is a very large room which is used for meetings, also ideal for events or for when you may host a speaker. We're now on the first level of the villa. Up here we find mostly offices. In fact, we have 7 large office spaces. They are split on 2 sides over here. And there are also 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. Let me now show you another beautiful room. This is another impressive meeting room on the first level. Let's begin from the floors. They are detailed with wood and they are so beautiful. Then we have high ceilings with lights all around, with the shape matching the floor. This beautiful ancient library, and being on the first level, we have a terrace overlooking the Tiber Valley. Welcome to the second level of the villa. This floor is mostly used for bedrooms. In fact, up here we have 8 bedrooms. All of them are really large and have their own ensuite bathroom. I will show you 2 of them, 2 of my favorites. Let's go to the first. This is a suite, very large and with 2 big windows overlooking all of the valley. It has its own marble fireplace. On that corner over there, the ensuite bathroom, and on this other side we access to its cozy sitting or office space. Welcome to a second suite. It is as well huge and with beautiful wooden floors, decorated ceilings. On that corner with the sitting area we find the marble fireplace, and we have 3 large windows filling this room with natural light and letting us enjoy these outstanding natural views. Welcome to the 5th level of the villa. We are in the Altana, so it's the little tower on top. So this level is mostly made up of this beautiful office space and some other storage spaces. From here we can admire the view, and you can also notice inside lots of beautiful details like these colorful windows and iron details, just as well as the floors. Let me now show you the terraces. And what better place to end today's property tour than up here, on one of the highest terraces of the villa. The views are outstanding, and even if you feel like you're literally on paradise, you are minutes away to the center of the town. An incredible property without a doubt. It is very particular, it is immense, and it is in excellent condition. So it could either be suitable for somebody that is interested into a private residence, or use part of it as a private residence and the rest as a business, and is interested in converting all of these spaces. Or very suitable as well for somebody that is looking for an impressive mansion for a business, which can be either an accommodation business or the base for their main business. And I would say also all of these large kitchens can be used perhaps for some business involved with cooking classes. So really lots of options. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao.